Recently, many customers have asked us some questions about upgrading MacBook SSD to larger capacity. MacBooks from 2018 onwards, SSD particles are all soldered on board, or can be upgraded to larger capacities. For example, upgrade from 128 grams to 256 grams, 512 grams, 1 TB, 2 TB, 4 TB, 8 TB. We provide corresponding SSD chips. The SSD chips we provide have corresponding location marks on them. For example, 0 and 1, 6 and 7, 91 and 92. Please do not erase the mark above. Make sure it is installed in the designated location on the motherboard. Each chip has a corresponding program inside it. No need to program again. Before shipment, chips are tested on test racks to ensure they work properly. And we will also provide corresponding technical support. If you are interested, you can contact Weikai or WhatsApp 8618609480 for 2018 to 2020 Intel chip MacBook iCloud.